Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of the horned lark, a small but striking bird known for its unique appearance and intriguing behaviors. Whether you're a bird enthusiast or just curious about wildlife, these 50 facts about the horned lark will surely captivate you. Let's get started. 1. Scientific name: the horned lark is scientifically known as Eremophila alpestris. 2. Common names: it is also known as the shore lark in Europe. 3. Habitat: horned larks are found in open areas with sparse vegetation, including prairies, tundra, deserts, and agricultural lands. 4. Appearance: they have a pale face with a black mask and breast band, contrasting with their brown upperparts and white underparts. 5. Size: they measure 16 to 20 centimeters, 6.3 to 7.9 inches in length. 6. Wingspan: their wingspan ranges from 31 to 35 centimeters, 12 to 14 inches. 7. Weight: they weigh between 28-40 grams, 1.4 ounces. 8. Diet: horned larks primarily feed on seeds and insects. 9. Nesting: they build nests on the ground, often in natural depressions or excavated sites. 10. Breeding season: breeding typically occurs from March to July. 11. Eggs: females lay 2 to 5 eggs per clutch. 12. Incubation: the female incubates the eggs for about 10 to 14 days. 13. Fledging: chicks fledge at about 9 to 12 days old. 14. Lifespan: in the wild, they can live up to 8 years. 15. Juvenile appearance: juveniles have a more subdued plumage compared to adults. 16. Vocalizations: they have a high-pitched, tinkling song often given in flight. 17. Territorial: horned larks are territorial and will defend their nesting area. 18. Migration: some populations are migratory, moving south in winter. 19. Winter plumage: in winter, they have a more subdued gray and brown plumage. 20. Vision: they have excellent vision, crucial for spotting food on the ground. 21. Perching: they often perch on the ground or low vegetation. 22. Flight: their flight is strong and direct with rapid wing beats. 23. Prey capture: they use their sharp beaks to catch and eat insects. 24. Feeding: they are known to forage on the ground, often in pairs or small groups. 25. Adaptability: horned larks can adapt to various open environments. 26. Predators: their main predators include larger birds of prey and mammals. 27. Conservation status: they are currently listed as least concern by the IUCN. 28. Cultural significance: in some cultures, they are admired for their resilience and adaptability. 29. Training: they are sometimes used in research due to their unique behaviors. 30. Coloration: adults have a distinctive yellow face with black horns of feathers. 31. Molting: they molt once a year, usually after the breeding season. 32. Sibling cooperation: older siblings often help feed and protect younger chicks. 33. Roosting: they roost on the ground, often in large groups. 34. Prey handling: they are known to peck at and eat seeds and insects. 35. Water needs: they get most of their water from their diet. 36. Observation: bird watchers can often spot them in open fields and along roadsides. 37. Role in ecosystem: as seed eaters, they help control plant populations. 38. Electrocution risk: they are at risk of electrocution from unshielded power poles. 39. Aid to injured: group members sometimes help injured individuals by providing food. 40. Monogamous: horned larks are generally monogamous, forming long-term pair bonds. 41. Territorial: they are territorial and defend their nesting area from other larks. 42. Vocalizations: they communicate with a variety of calls, especially during nesting. 43. Falconry: their intelligence and social nature make them interesting subjects for bird enthusiasts. 44. Coloration: adults have a distinctive yellow cere and legs. 45. Eyesight. They have excellent vision, crucial for spotting prey from a distance. 46. Flight. Horned larks are strong flyers and can soar for long periods. 47. Perching. They prefer high perches with a good view of the landscape. 48. Group size. They often gather in small flocks, especially during feeding. 49. Survival rates. Birds in larger groups have higher survival rates. 50. Range. They are widely distributed across North America, Europe, and Asia. The horned lark is a truly remarkable bird known for its distinctive appearance, unique behaviors, and adaptability. Whether you're a bird watcher, a researcher, or just someone who loves nature, there's always something new to learn about these fascinating birds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife facts.